We will discuss about the general quadrature formula for equidistant ordinates. Now friend, we know the definite integral. When I is a definite integral between the limit a to b of y, where y is a f of x and the values of f of x are at equidistance, we divide the range a to b into n equal parts and each of width h. That means b minus a divided by n equal to h. And the values of x we are taking x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, like this. Then the first point we consider x0 is a, and our next point is x0 plus h, and the next point is x2, where x2 is x0 plus 2h, and the last point x0 plus nh, that will be b. Now we have assumed that the y is at equidistance, that means y0, y1 and yn, this is at equal distances. Again u is x minus x0 divided by h. So when we differentiate this du, we get 1 by h into dx, so that the value of this dx is h into du. Now when x equal to x0, here when we put this x equal to x0, x0 minus x0, so we get u equal to 0. And when x equal to x0 plus nh, x0 plus nh minus x0, x0 get cancelled, and we have nh divided by h, that will be n. Then the integration I, which is function of y, this will be a means here x0 and b means x0 plus nh, and this y is function of x, but from this we see that u equal to x minus x0 divided by h, so that from if we calculate x, we get x0 plus there, hence this y transferred to x0 plus into there is du, there must be a du. Now then we apply the Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula. What is the Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula? y0 plus uc1 delta y0 plus uc2 delta square y0 plus like this. We substitute this value of y at x0 plus hu here, I equal to, and dx is 1 by h into du. So h is a constant, it is independent of variable u. So we have written it the out of this integration, and at x0, the at x0 here you can see that at x0 it is lower limit is 0, and at x0 plus nh u is equal to n. Therefore the values of x0 plus hu will is a y0 plus u into delta y0 plus u uc2 means u into u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square y0 plus next value uc3, that is u into u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y0 plus. Now when we integrate this with respect to u, y0 is a constant. So integration of constant is u into y0 plus integration of this u square is u square divided by 2, delta y0 is constant, u into u minus 1, that is u square minus u 1 divided by 2 factorial, integration of u square is u cube divided by 3, and in minus u, that is u square divided by 2 into delta square y0 plus, like this, between the limit here 0 to n. Now when we put the upper limit, every term contain u, therefore at 0 it will be 0, hence it will be only contain the upper values, that is n into y0 plus n square divided by 2 delta y0 plus n cube divided by 3 minus n square divided by 2 delta square y0 divided by 2 factorial plus integration of this term, that will be n raised to 4 divided by 4 minus n cube divided n cube plus n square delta square delta cube y0 divided by 3 factorial plus plus plus. So we get the n plus 1 terms. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video.